All right, Pasquale, there you go, buddy. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Are you guys ready for a bath? Because it's happening very, very soon. Oh, yeah? Are you sure you want to come in for that? I don't know. Hey, boys, you want to go outside potty? Come on. Let's go, puppies. Come on. Come on, boys. Outside potty. I'm gonna start this video out with a fun fact. Enzo drinks water like a maniac, you guys. He can never get enough water.
What's up, guys? It's Smiley TV. Today, we are going to be doing 24 hours with our pets.
This is what happens, guys. Diesel decided to jailbreak the fence. We put this extra fencing on the bottom of our fence so the dogs can't squeeze through anymore. And he jailbroke the gate over there, and he gets out now. But Enzo can't get out, and there he is. He just ran away. Don't know where he's going. Don't know why, but he ran away. Enzo, thank you for being a good boy. Come here, Enzo. You're such a good boy. Yeah, you don't run away, huh? Look at him, you guys. What are you doing? You're so crazy. He's on the loose. He has muddy paws. You have to stay outside for a little bit, bud.
Yeah. Get the damage.
Jayla told me to film the damage. Puppy dirty paw prints all the way throughout the house. Pasquale, what do you think of this?
He doesn't appreciate it.
Are you ready for breakfast? That's all he's worried about is breakfast. So what happened to your face?
Sometimes as a YouTuber, you wake up like this. This is just what happens.
Jesse just noticed what went down.
Is this doggy poo?
No, it's prints.
What?
Mud from the backyard. Jayla to the
You guys want to
rescue.
know what happens every single morning too? The girls accidentally let Diesel out of the front into the front yard without a leash on.
Oh, they just saw him do his escape.
He did his escape.
Oh yeah, he's gone. He's gone.
He's trying to go walk with our neighbor friend.
Yeah, he has a dog friend that he likes to go on walks
His
with.
name is Dale, and he tries to go and walk with Dale, and Dad don't appreciate it because then I gotta go and chase after him.
Where's the Swiffer? Show them your handiwork. Oh yes, so nice and clean now.
I'm just gonna put the grass by the door.
All right, so this is what happens before school, you guys. We have lots of chores to do. Kitty, Pasquale, we got your food ready. Oh, he's coming. He's look at him. He's interested in the Swiffer. He's in attack mode. It's just a Swiffer, dude. That's all it is. All right, Swiffering is over, and he's moved on to the next task of the day, which is eating. Fun fact about our Bengal cat, you guys. He eats raw meat every day. Don't you, bud? That's your favorite, huh? He's spoiled. What happened to you, Diesel? Where'd you go?
Yeah.
You had a nice time?
He went and visited Dale, and he got himself a little muddy, so I think these dogs are going to need a bath.
I think you need a bath.
Yeah, true.
Bye! Bye, Rory. Pocket. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye, Mom.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Angelica. I go.
Angelica.
Rory, isn't Angelica watching this? I just said bye. I go, Rory, put in your pocket. She goes, I'm not going to bed.
We only do that at bedtime.
Bye.
Have a great day at school.
You have a great day with Rory.
He ate all of his food, and now it's playtime with Rory. Draw a kitty on Daddy's face.
Yeah, we're doing 24 hours with our pets, so I must look like a kitty.
Comment down below if you know why Jesse woke up looking like that. Oh, a nice little nose. Where are the whiskers gonna be? Whiskers, perfect. Ooh, a lot of whiskers. And there we have it. We have a new kitty in the house. Can you say meow?
Meow.
Time to wake up. He's not ready for the world, you guys. Murray is the laziest dragon. He's so lazy. He hides under his log all day. He only comes out to eat and go number 2. Look at, he shut his eyes at me once I turned his light on. But you need the sunlight, Mur. You need it.
Murray.
Murray, do you want to eat? You want some worms? Hummer? He's not about the worm life today, you guys. Look at him, he knows what's up. Are you gonna come get a worm, Mer? You have to eat. He hasn't eaten in like 2 days. Look at him. He's so funny. He doesn't want it. Our next tactic is we're gonna try our hornworm. These are one of his favorites. We'll see if he'll go for that one.
Ugh, I hate the poop on these.
He's a lively one.
We only have one that's left alive right now. Oh,
I told you.
Snap. Murray, oh snap, Murray, oh, for the ground.
It's like a spaghetti noodle.
The worms are good for his teeth, though.
Yeah,
So
he
let's
needs some
see.
crunch. See if he'll do a super worm
Let's
now.
see if he'll do a worm.
All right, Murray, super worms.
Let's see if he wants those.
He's gonna eat them up. Oh yeah. He's a hungry dragon
You hear
today.
that crunch?
I know.
The crunchiness. And if you guys know why we got a bearded dragon is because Rory loves Brave Wilderness and she loves the episode where he got a bearded dragon.
A wild bearded dragon. Yeah, that's one of her favorites. He's all done eating and now he's bright and happy and orange. He gets really, really bright when he's happy. Or content, I should say. Not sure if he really has happy or sad feelings. Squally, you cannot get the worms. No, those are bad for you. You have your own food, bud. He's trying to get in the cage with Murray because Pasquale thinks that Murray is his play toy, and he's not. Rory, you love Murray? Yeah, is he your favorite pet?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he's your baby, huh?
Look at Pasquale.
Yeah, keep him away from Murray.
So, it's bath time.
He's so excited.
It's bath time for the Benny boy. You ready, dude? You ready? Okay, if you're wondering why we have an extension cord in our bathroom running into our closet, that's because of the kitty litter box right there. So basically we don't have any power in that closet, so it kind of looks bad right now. We're just gonna shut this door. Squally is always curious about the water and he likes to just come in the shower like this. So, all right, Benny, it's time, bath time. He doesn't necessarily like baths, but he's good for bath time.
Let's do teamwork.
Rory's gonna help out. Oh, look at him, he's so cute. Okay, so Enzo has the shakes right now, so he's getting us all wet.
Keep shaking.
Oh, but he looks so much better already, guys. He was getting really, really like dirty
Crusty.
and crusty. So we had to make sure he got a bath because you don't want to snuggle with a stinky pup.
After I know we're gonna give Diesel a bath.
Yeah, and Diesel's the fun one to give a bath to, huh, Ro?
Yeah, Diesel's the fun one.
Look how cute he is. He's so cute.
Like a little old man.
He is like a little old man,
Yeah,
huh?
rinse him. He's getting cold.
Scrub a dub dub in the tub. Scrub a dub dub. Enzo, are you liking this bath? Oh no! Before we go any further in today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to become a Smelly Bellion, and hit that notification bell if you want to be a part of the Pickle Squad. We do post notification shout outs, so once you become a Pickle Squad member, make sure you leave it in the comments down below. Wow, of course it's down below. I don't know why I always say down below. Make sure you guys leave it in the comments and let us know, and you have a chance at getting a shout out on Smelly Belly TV. Oh, look at Benny.
He's such a good boy.
He's doing so good. He's on his second wash, guys. We had to wash him twice.
Yep.
Because he was really stinky. Oh my gosh, look at him.
Benny, where'd your eyes go?
Benny.
Shake, Enzo, shake.
Shake, buddy.
Shake.
Shake. Shake
Oh,
it off.
shake.
Come on, bud. Do a little shake for us. He's just sitting over there like...
I got all dressed.
Alright.
I got all dressed.
Oh.
You got all dressed? I like the outfit you picked out.
He's like a little burrito.
Oh, Benny boy.
A little puppy burrito.
Yeah, he's a burrito.
All right, we're gonna get a photo for Smelly Belly TV Pets Instagram.
All right, guys, smile. Time to dry. Benny boy's getting all dried up. Look at this, so cute.
Squally's getting his first teeth brushing, and it seems it's a little painful for you.
Yeah, for me. So since this is his first time, we won't be using the brush right away. We're gonna invite him to lick the toothpaste.
Does he like it?
Oh.
He's rejecting it.
Let's see. Come on, Poss.
You might just have to open his mouth a little and put your finger in there.
Yep, here we go.
Good boy. Oh, he likes it now.
Yes. Yes, we're rubbing it along his gum line. Good boy. So you got, like, if you have a little kitten like this, you got to start right away. Because if you try to start a couple years in, it won't work. It's too late. You got to start when they're a kitty. All right, guys, it's time to invite Mr. Krabby Pants up.
Diesel.
Yeah, Diesel. He's avoiding bath time once again. He knows he just saw Enzo get a bath, so now he's not listening. Usually when we call him, he comes straight up. Diesel! Diesel, come on, boy! Diesel! I've been even calling him with puppy treat and it doesn't work.
Puppy treat always works.
Yeah, that's a term that my mom came up with to get Diesel to do anything. And literally, he usually comes running. Diesel, puppy treat! Puppy treat!
Nothing.
No Diesel.
I just got word that Diesel is downstairs hiding under the guest bed. Crouch has been secured. Alright, I think that's you got it. He's extra crusty. Diesel, oh, careful, Diesel, smile. Diesel, he's so sad.
Dude, it's just water.
He has eye boogers too, so we need to get those out.
Okay. Feels so nice. Like,
I know, right?
You get a nice shower massage. It's like therapy.
He does. Once he's all done, you guys, he has to rub his ears raw. Diesel, it's okay. You're all fresh and clean now.
All right, Diesel, you can shake now. Diesel will shake on command when we tell him to shake.
He needs the strong stuff because he's extra stinky, so we're using the cheap.
Fun fact about Diesel, he's actually very, very smart.
He is very smart.
And that's the bad thing about him.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and we will see you in the next one. Remember to eat your pickles, kids! Bye! 24 hours with pets, that's a lot of work.
Dad didn't say it.
Say it.
Eat your pickles, kids!